kung paano. Sandali. After na lang magluto ni ate. Sandali, apuyan lang natin dyan.
Di tulad ng ulap na kusang lumilisan, di tulad ng alon sa may dalampasigan. Ang pag-ibig ko'y di panandalian, di panandalian. Walang pagdududa dito silakbo, tulad ng sulong saglit lang ay maglalaho. Oh, oh, ikaw ay sinusutuktok ng bundok, ika'y kalungan sa lahat ng gulo. Masukal man ang landas, di man tiyak ang wakas ay lalakbayin para lang samuin ang simoy mo.
Hi! So, kamusta ka naman dyan, J-Mark?
Goods lang, ito, ihaw-ihaw.
So, hello po! Magandang araw sa inyong lahat! So, welcome po sa aming camping series na... Ano yan? Ano yung camping series natin? Ayan na pa. Hi, Niana!
If you could return, don't let it burn, don't let it fade. Sure, I'm not being rude, but it's just your attitude, and it's tearing me apart, and it's ruining every day. Oh, I swore I would be true, and honey, so did you. So why were you holding her hand? Is it just the way we stand? Were you lying all the time? Was it just a game to you? But I'm in so deep. You know I'm such a fool for you. You got me wrapped around your finger. Do you have to let it linger? Do you have to? Do you have to? Do you have to let it linger? Oh, I thought the world of you. I thought nothing could go wrong, but I was wrong. I was wrong. If you could get by, try not to.
Ano yung mga bagay na pwede natin dali next time?
Damit yan, damit na talaga. Saka yung mas malaking upuan, saka na mesa.
Lang.
Saka alak.
Alak? Mapiling na. Paano mo maaalala yung alak? Tayo lahat ng kasama natin, di umiinom.
Alak.
Diba?
Saya po. I'm leaving home for the coastline, someplace under the sun. I feel my heart for the first time, 'cause now I'm moving on, yeah, I'm moving on.
Ay, pinakamalaki talaga.
And there's a place that I've dreamed of, where I can free my mind. I hear the sounds of the season and lose all sense of time. I'm moving far away to a sunny place where it's just you and me. Feels like we're in a dream. You know what I mean.